What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Kayla, aka Fat Belicious, Fat Belicious, y'all. I don't know how to really rock, y'all. When I was young, I used to know how to dance, but now I can't really rock. How do you do that? No, I can't do it. But anyway, what's up, y'all? So I won't be before you long, but we need to talk. So I haven't been posting videos in weeks. It's been weeks, y'all. It's been weeks, and it's just because editing videos is kind of time consuming for me. It's definitely time consuming. Like, I like recording. I still record, and I have a bunch of videos on my phone to put together, to edit, to post. But it's just a lot going on. So this is just a video just to kind of catch you up. Okay, so first of all, I've been thinking, if I'm starting at the bottom, and say if I grow into this big YouTube artist or whatever, YouTube person, whatever, and I have fans, I'm not gonna be like, hey, what's up, y'all, what's up, I'm not gonna be greeting y'all what's up, y'all, what's up. I don't want to have a name. So I thought maybe I thought about Fat Army, PHAT, with the name or whatever. But then I'm like, no, I don't want to be called Fat Army. But then I thought about Belicious Army, and I kind of like that better. Now, other YouTubers have gangs or nations, or Rihanna, she has Navy. And I'm like, I don't never hear anybody say Army. I heard a Beehive, but Army, I haven't heard about Army unless I don't watch a lot of YouTube videos. But so I'm like, well, hey, I can say Belicious Army. What's up, my Belicious Army, y'all? What's up? But anyway, y'all, so that's the name that I thought of. If you got any creative names for fans or anything, comment below, y'all. Comment below for me, so we can get this show on the road. Now, first, when I did used to post videos a lot, it was a lot about weight loss and stuff, and so I'm still doing it. I'm still doing the weight loss challenge for my job, and I mean, it's been over 8 weeks now, and I have been gaining and losing a pound or 2 or 3. Okay, I have not got out the 250s, y'all. I have not. I don't even know. But at the same time, I'm not trying hard. I'm not dedicated. I'm not working out every day. I'm not eating healthy every day. I got a box of pizza right here next to me, waiting to be eaten. But anyway, so I mean, the weeks is pretty much almost over, but that does not mean stop. That's not, no. That does not mean stop. For me, it's just kind of start over. My birthday is all the way in June, and I want to be right, I may not be right how I want to be right, but I'm going to be something, But, so I'm just going to keep posting. I'm going to keep posting weight loss stuff, and, try to get a transformation going, try to see something of me that, hey, I can do this. Look, girl, look at my stomach. That's the part I really want to lose, is my stomach. My thighs and my booty, it could be a little work on my thighs. But anyway, y'all, so yeah, enough about that. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, more weight loss videos. And then posting other videos, makeup videos. I don't really do makeup how other artists do makeup, have specific brushes or whatnot. I just be putting colors on, and it be coming out right, So, I mean, posting makeup videos or couple videos, or I've been thinking about doing some singing videos, Beyonce videos, and because I love Beyonce, and I have my wall back here. I don't know if you can see it, but my wall, I kind of took apart the calendar that she made before, and I'm just gonna make a Beyonce wall, a little fashion wall, basically this is gonna be my model wall, because I want to be a model too. So I love Toya, I love Tyra Banks, I love Beyonce, I love Rihanna, I love Ciara, I love like, you know, just find like canvases of, you know, different like model pictures or something to post up there. So yeah, this gonna be my, like, this is my fashion room. This is it right here. Okay, so while I'm talking, you know, like, guys, I have been to the bottom. Okay, I have been like under SpongeBob type of bottom. Like, my life is SHI with a capital T. Okay, and I mean, it's just everything is just spiraling down, like relationship problems and school problems and just me not feeling the best all the time, you know. And I don't know what it is, but it really, it got to me. Like, this is it, and this is me, like my neck, like, and I'm like trying to get a hold of it, you know. And right now I gotta grab a hold of it a little bit, but you never know what could happen because my attitude is so bad. My attitude is skyrocket. Like, you do something, boom, bam, I'm mad. Like, why the fuck you gotta do that? Why do you have to mess up my day? You know, I don't know what it is. It's my attitude that's really horrible. That just makes, I don't know, but yeah, guys. So it's just a lot going on. And you know, kind of like me posting videos, it's kind of almost a way out, you know, like a kind of a stress reliever, you know. And so that's, I also want to post videos, like inspirational videos, like, you know, you go through a situation and then you get through it. And so I want to do that with you guys, like right now, my relationship, it's a piece of crap right now. It's a piece of crap, but we're getting a hold of it. We are, you know, trying to make things work. I bought like some books. I bought this book called Women Are From Venus and Men Are From Mars, or something like that. And, you know, it talks about relationships, and then the 5 love languages. I want to see what that was about. And then I had like this card thingy, kind of like to help me with communication, because when I'm mad, then my communication go out the window, my communication skills go out the window, and everything's just like, what the, like, you know. So, like, better way, you know, of talking with each other can kind of help the relationship. And so right now we're doing good. We're trying to stay positive and all things like that, and it's working out pretty good. So yeah, just kind of post videos about that, and, you know, you going through the same thing, we go through it together, and we get past it together, you know, stuff like that. So that's what I want to do. So yeah, let's see, what else can I talk about? Like, me and my boyfriend, we just got done doing a Cali trip, so I will post videos of that. Now, it may not be much because something happened with my other camera where everything got erased. So all the good pictures we had and some of the videos, like, it got erased, and I'm very upset about that. Like, and let's see, my videos are going to be better quality instead of this iPhone that always has no storage. Okay, I bought another camera, and it works pretty good. So I'm going to start recording with, you know, good quality videos. So anyway, so that is about it right now that I can think of. And, you know, guys, as I like for you to do, comment, share, subscribe, and like my videos, y'all. Like them, subscribe, comment, like everything. I want you to do everything, you know. So, yeah, all right. So I'm done talking because I have nothing else to talk about. And I will see you guys later.